Have you ever stopped to think about how little smartphones have actually changed in the last decade? Seriously. We still swipe, tap, and pinch our way through the day. But what comes after touch? What if the smartphone of the future could read your mind, project holograms, or maybe even disappear completely? Let's do a quick rewind. First, we had those chunky phones with physical keyboards. Then, the iPhone arrived and brought capacitive touchscreens to the masses. A few years later, voice assistants like Siri and Bixby added a new way to interact. But let's be honest, we're still mostly just touching glass. And while our phones have gotten faster, thinner, and packed with more cameras, the fundamental way we use them hasn't really evolved. That's why all the big tech companies are pouring billions into answering one question. What's the next big leap? We're already starting to see some hints of what's to come. Take Samsung's Galaxy AI, which is pushing the boundaries with real-time voice translation and smarter commands. Apple is doubling down on AI-driven text tools and more powerful voice input. And Google has been experimenting with gesture controls using motion sensors. Imagine just waving your hand to answer a call or dictating entire messages without ever lifting a finger. This technology is already here, it just hasn't hit the mainstream yet. The goal is to make interacting with your device feel more natural and seamless. Then you have the world of augmented reality, or AR. Companies like Apple with their Vision Pro headsets and Meta with their AR glasses are betting big on a future where the phone itself either shrinks or disappears entirely. Why? Because your entire environment becomes the screen. Instead of pulling out your phone and scrolling through notifications, you might see holographic alerts floating right in front of you. In this world, your main interface isn't a slab of glass, it's a wearable. Whether that's a pair of glasses, smart earbuds, or even a discreet smart ring on your finger. And now for the really wild part, brain-computer interfaces, or BC is GU. Probably heard of Elon Musk's Neuralink, but they're not the only ones in the game. Multiple startups are developing technology that could let us control our devices just by thinking. I know it sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but just try to imagine sending a text message without touching a screen or even saying a word out loud. This isn't just about convenience. It could completely redefine what it means to connect with technology and with each other. So, what's actually realistic? In the next 5 years, we'll definitely see more powerful AI assistants, smarter voice controls, and wearables that sync seamlessly with our phones, making them more of a central hub. But looking out 10 to 15 years, it's as very possible that augmented reality and neural tech will start to push the physical smartphone into the background. Or maybe even make it vanish altogether. The real future of the smartphone isn't about giving us bigger, brighter screens. It's about a future with no screen at all. So, what do you think comes after touch? Gestures, AR, or maybe even our thoughts? One thing is for sure, our relationship with technology is about to change forever. Would you be willing to wear AR glasses instead of carrying a phone? Or would you trust an AI to type out your thoughts? Let me know your take down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The future is closer than you think.